So key over 3 is equal to 27 over key. So find the value of key. How to solve this? So to solve this, we use the cross product. When you use the cross product, for that, we get key square is equal to 27 times 3. So then, key square is equal 81. So this is equal what? We find the number whose the square or whose the power, then power 2, then which is equal to 81. So it means that key square is equal 3 power 4. Key square is the same to 3 power 2 power 2. Key square is equal what? 3 power 2 power 2, then 3 power 2 is equal 9. So then key square is equal 9 power 2. Remember that if A times M is equal B times M, so then A is equal to B according to the power of indices. So according to that, the power are the same. So then key is equal 9. This is the value of key. So thank you for watching this. Remember to subscribe.